Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see the audio filters and the audio effects. We are going to add a soundtrack to a short video and then add some effects. So first of all, let's create a new project. I don't know, let's name it audio. I don't know. Okay, start. And first thing first, I'm going to add a soundtrack. So let's import our soundtrack here. Okay, so let's see if it works. Okay, perfect. If you click on source and on the audio, you will see that it has a completely white screen. That's because it has no video components. So it's just audio. And so if we press play, it will start. With this button you will go further, with this will more backwards. This will go to the end of the track, this will go to the start, and same as for the video. With this one you can select your starting point, with this one the ending one. But yeah, let's keep it as it was. So let's say that we want to create a little video with the clips we have. So let's go to video and select your clips. So import them in the playlist first. I don't know, this one and this one should be good. So let's close this one. Well, yeah, let's add the clips to the timeline. So click with the right button, click on track operation and add video track, or you can also press Ctrl I. So let's start with this one. So let's place it over there. So then this one. Let's try to keep them in the 1 minute time. So let's shorten these two. Okay, so we can fit the third one in, the last one, this one. Okay, so let's drag it to the end and let's extend the other two, I don't know, like that, 1 and 2. Okay, perfect. But beware, because before importing your clips, you need to be sure to not have this one enabled, because otherwise it will split all the tracks below. So also this one. And so yeah. But yeah, let's press play to see. If it works. Okay, it's a little bit laggy because my CPU is really struggling. But yeah, whenever you will export the video, it will be fluid, don't worry. But yeah, it can be annoying to work like that. As you can see, you will have on the right side of the clip viewer the meter, and yeah, that will show the overall audio of your video. But yeah, let's click on the audio, so our soundtrack, and yeah, let's go to filters and let's play a little bit with the effects. So amongst the favorite ones for audio, there are fade in, fade out, gain, volume, and mute. Yeah, that's all. Gain, we're going to use right now gain and volume. That's very useful is if you have a soundtrack or an audio in general that's too loud or too low, too quiet. There's the meter, the audio peak meter. It will show you the decibel peak of your entire audio, and it's peaking at -15. So we can, I don't know, if it's too loud, we can decrease it a little bit to bring the peak lower. Yeah, that should be good. Not too much. But yeah, if you go to the, so let's add another filter. another effect. So if you go to the overall list, to the list of all the effects, you can see that they are way too many, so I'm not going to explain them all, obviously. But yeah, if for example you want to so there's fade in and fade out, let's use them. So let's go back to the start of the track. So if for example you want a more gradual start for the audio, you can use this one. So let's add the fade. Oh, that's the fade out, sorry. Let's add also the fade in, yeah. So because we need them both. So as you can see, this like dot right here, this circle, as you move it, the sound will change. The envelope of the sound will change, and it will be more gradual. So let's say that we want to, I don't know, make an envelope that lasts 5 seconds. So at 5 seconds, it will reach the maximum volume. Yeah, as you can see, you'll see the time like here on the left, that blue box. Let's play it. Oh yeah, maybe we don't need the fading because the track already starts with a low pass, so it already has a kind of fade in. So let's work with the fade out instead. Let's say that we want a very long fade out on the audio. Yeah, let's bring it like here, and let's hear how it sounds like. Sorry for my CPU. Let's like go there. But yeah, I can assure you that the volume is decreasing throughout the song. My CPU is really suffering right now. Obviously, the more effects you add, the more your CPU will suffer. If you do not have a good CPU like me. But yeah, if you don't want to do this manually with the circle, you can also click on fade out audio, and you can see that there's the specific timer. So it's, I mean, more accurate because you can select the exact time. So let's make it like 15 seconds. Let's click there and modify to 15 and 0 and 0. Okay, perfect. So with this one you can like add, decrement and increment. So let's increment to 15. Let's click. Okay, so we have 15. So we can like add the same thing for the video, because like to match up the video and the song, because it starts with a low pass. So if we add a nice transition, a nice like fade in for the video, that will match up the song. So let's click on add on the first video, go to favorite and go to fade in video. Perfect. So let's make it like I don't know, 5-6 seconds. Okay, so let's hear how it looked like. Yeah, we can add the same thing for the last thing, so a fade out, because there's the fade out here for the audio. So let's click on the last clip, let's add a fade out video, then click on the circle, and I think that we can match up the two envelopes, so like or a little bit later, I don't know. No, I think that's good. Let's see. But yeah, you get it. So in the middle of the track, there's a point in which the track stops. So let's hear it. a little before. So at like 28 seconds, pretty much. So a cool thing that we can do is that we can like make a cut right where the audio stops, like here, and restart whenever the audio starts back. So let's see, like at 29. Okay, so let's make the cut at 29, and you know what, let's like drag this clip all the way to the stops. So whenever the so at this stop in the music, there will be the change of the clip. So we can keep like this blank space right here with the stop. So let's see how it looks like. Oh god, my CPU. Okay, but yeah, you get it. I will export this and show you the preview after the video ends. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. That's it for today, and see you in another one.